Before we pick up pencils, we're training our brains. Mental maths means working things out in your head quickly and clearly by thinking flexibly about numbers. This matters when you're checking change, keeping score, or just wanting a fast answer without writing everything down. Today, we're revising 3 key mental strategies you already know: jumping, splitting, and compensating. The goal is not to use every strategy every time, but to choose the one that fits the numbers best. All mental strategies are powered by place value. Every number is made of tens and ones. For example, 53 is 50 plus 3, and 24 is 20 plus 4. If you're clear on that, the rest becomes much easier. Let's start with the jump strategy. Think of a number line in your head. For addition, you start at the larger number and jump forward. For subtraction, you jump backwards. Always jump in tens first, then ones. For example, 34 plus 25. Start at 34. Jump forward 20 to 54. Then jump forward 5 to 59. The answer is 59. For subtraction, take 68 minus 24. Start at 68, jump back 20 to 48. Then jump back 4 to 44. Jumping in chunks keeps your thinking organized and reduces mistakes. Next is the split strategy. This means breaking numbers into tens and ones, solving each part, then joining them back together. Take 42 plus 36. Split 42 into 40 and 2, and 36 into 30 and 6. Add the tens first. 40 plus 30 equals 70. Add the ones. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Combine them. 70 plus 8 equals 78. This strategy is especially helpful when the ones add easily and don't go past 9. Now for the compensation strategy, which is great for numbers close to friendly numbers like 10, 20, 50, or 100. You change a number to make the calculation easier, then fix it at the end. For example, 45 plus 19. 19 is close to 20, so add 20 instead. 45 plus 20 equals 65, but you added 1 too much, so subtract 1. 65 minus 1 equals 64. The key rule is simple. If you add extra, you must take it away. If you take extra away, you must add it back. Let's look at some practice thinking. For 53 plus 24, splitting works well. 50 plus 20 equals 70. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The total is 77. For 85 minus 31, jumping is efficient. 85 minus 30 is 55. Minus 1 more is 54. For 126 plus 49, compensation is fastest. Add 50 to get 176, then subtract 1 to get 175. For 250 plus 250, think doubling. Double 250 is 500. Finally, is 48 plus 33 the same as 50 plus 31? Yes, because you added 2 to one number and took 2 away from the other, keeping the total balanced. The big takeaway is this: mental maths is about speed and flexibility, not one perfect method. Make numbers friendlier before you calculate. Use jumping for steps and subtraction, splitting when tens and ones are clear, and compensation when numbers end in 8 or 9. Strong mathematicians don't just get answers, they choose smart strategies.